What is up, Goon Squad? We're back out here. We just went and picked up some truck bed coating. I know I said we were going to pick up some Raptor liner, but we couldn't track it down. Well, we did find some, but they wanted way more than what we could get it online for, $100 more. So we just went ahead and got 2 bottles of this. We're going to go ahead and spray this, and then we're going to run to the store, get some more, probably throw up to 3 coats, something like that, and it should do the job. Guys, before we get started here, be sure to pause the video, check out goonsquad.com. Get you a hat before they run out. We are almost sold out. I think we only got a couple more of these colors in blue, but we are sold out of the black and red, and we've got a couple more of the pink. So guys, be sure to check out goonsquad.com. Guys, a little bit of a better look in the daylights here. Here goes the first coat, laid down decently. It's not too thick, so we're gonna go get some more, but it looks pretty good. 4 more cans. And we're about to throw another coat, and then we should have enough to throw a 3rd coat. But it looks pretty good right now. For the first coat, it's dried up. I mean, it's a thin coat, but get ready for the second one. That should do the trick. Alrighty guys, there you have it. That's the last coat there. We made sure to throw an extra thickness over here in the transmission area, but everything else got coated, which that should prevent rust and a little bit of soundproofing there, so that looks good to me. Alright guys, so we couldn't wait, so we went ahead and went to the store, picked up a timing chain. We got the gears and the chain also, so we got the whole set, and we're getting ready to take that front case apart and get at that timing chain and install it so we could put on the oil pan and get ready to throw this engine back into the Jeep. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take off this alternator because it is in the way. We got to get off this pulley here, and we're going to try to pull it off. We're going to give it a shot with something that we found in our garage. If that don't work, we're going to go ahead and rent a puller. Alright, so that thing right there didn't work for us, so we're going to go run to the parts store and get a puller.
Which you can use it either way, but
back in the garage here, we got that puller there. We're going to see if it works for us.
alright guys, so now we're going to take off this cover for the timing chain.
We're also going to make a little template because all of these bolts are different. That's it. Ooh, there we go. Oh man, that was pretty loose. Yeah, see, it's tight here, but then it's loose here. That's not good. It's supposed to be tight on both ends. And how was this thing worn out? It started to get a little bit of wear. So it looks like we're in time here, and this looks like our chain just got super loose, worn out over time. As you can see, they sold us the wrong stuff there. So we're gonna run to the store again, return the puller, and go get the right timing chain and gears.
There she is. And like I said, they're pretty simple. That's why they're so reliable.
Alright, so here's the correct gear and timing chain. It's a little bit bigger, so it's gonna go right on there.
Yep, that's the same thing.
Before we install any of the new gears, we're gonna go ahead and clean off this gasket here, and we're gonna put new gasket maker. It's pretty clean. We're just gonna hit it with some brake parts cleaner and clean that surface a little bit more, get rid of that oil. We're also cleaning this cover here. We're probably gonna paint it.
All that oil and dirt over time.
Alright guys, so we got it sanded down, cleaned up, wax and grease removed, and now we're going to spray some paint on it.
Just a light coat at first.
Alright, we got it painted up, looking great. We got a couple coats on it. We're going to let that dry, and then we're going to go ahead and install the timing chain.
I think that's it.
Ooh, that's way tighter.
Ooh. Alright, now the fan and the fan clutch. Nice and brand new. Alright, let's go put it on. We do also got a brand new gasket for this oil pan. As you guys remember, we did put these bolts exactly how they came off on this little template that we made on this cardboard box. Now it's just time to just put it up to the new oil pan.
Alright guys, so we got this oil pan tightened up, and now we're just going to flip the motor back over. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. We had another great day as always. Today was kind of one of those days where we were running around from store to store, getting to the bottom of things, figuring stuff out, and we had a great day. And tomorrow's going to be even a better day because we are going to start piecing that transmission together, the whole clutch kit. We got a lot more coming guys, so stay tuned. Be sure to turn on your post notifications, like and subscribe.
And go follow us on Instagram. Link is down in the description.
And also, we appreciate all the support on the GoFundMe and the Patreon, guys. We couldn't do it without you guys, so we appreciate it. You're making these videos possible. You're making it possible for us to create better and more content. So, guys, we thank you so much.
If you'd like to support us, go check out our store and our Patreons. And we also have a GoFundMe set up, and everything's in the link in the description. Go to goonsquad.com and go check out our online store that we got.
Guys, we got hats, we got shirts, we got hoodies, and we're getting stickers here soon. So, guys, stay tuned for that. Be sure to check out the website to see when those things pop up there, guys. It's going to be awesome. We got some awesome stickers coming in. And we will see you guys next time.
Stay tuned. Peace.